1-5. Identify complementary and supplementary angles. We have number 14. Find the measure of each angle. So we have to find here, it looks like, oh, well, we already know one of them. Look, the entire thing here, this looks like it's 90 degrees. So we can say angle B to A to D is actually 90 degrees because of that box. So we got one of them. We want to find the other two. So we need to find, so we have to solve for x first. So that entire angle of angle BAD is made up of two other angles. The red one, which is ABAC. So angle BAC. And if we add that to this angle of CAD, angle CAD, that adds up to 90. So this equals 90. BAD is 10x plus 22. CAD is 7x plus 34. All right, now we can combine like terms and solve for x. Nothing happens to this 90, so we bring it down. 10x plus 7x is 17x. 22 plus 34 is 56. Okay. We subtract 56 to both sides to get the x variable alone. So 90 minus 56, that gets us 34. That equals to 17x. Remember, this becomes 0. This cancels. Now we want to get x alone, so we divide by 17. That gets us a 2 is equal to x. We solve for x, but we still want to know the angle, so we have to plug it back in. Angle BAC is equal to 10x plus 22. Let's just plug it in. So our x value is 2. So 10 times 2 is 20 plus 22. That gets us 44 degrees for angle BAC. So this angle here is 44 degrees. Okay. Then we have the angle here of CAD, which is equal to 7x plus 34. 7, we plug in the x of 2 plus 34. Okay. 7 times 2 is 14. Adding that to 34, that gets us 48. Okay, that is what angle CAD is. Does that work? No, that's wrong. Something's wrong. This is 14 plus this is 48. So this is wrong. 48. So this is 20 plus 22 is 20 plus 22 is 42. Yeah, that's right. So this has to be 42 and this has to be 48. Perfect. Right? Because if it was 44, this wouldn't add up to 90. So it makes sense. This is 42, this is 48. They add up to 90 now. Okay, that's how you can double check your work. All right, next, let's look at angle for B here. All right, notice this is a linear pair or supplementary because it makes a straight line. So did you know that angle EFG is this entire thing? EFG is supplementary, so that equals 180 degrees. You have to know that first of all, okay? Because it's straight. It's a straight angle. It's supplementary, okay? Now, this angle of EFG is actually made up of two other angles. I'm going to color code it for you. EFH, so that's going to be equal to here, the first angle of EFH. We're going to add the other angle of HFG. So that gets us angle HFG. Okay, so that's the angle addition postulate here. Let's substitute the values in. 180 is angle EFG. EFH, which is red, is 6x minus 5, plus the blue, which is HFG, 12x plus 5. Okay, What is 6x plus 12x? That gets us 18x. What's negative 5 plus 5? Oh, that's just 0. Okay, so we don't really care. Bring down to 180. Now, we can divide this by 18 to both sides. Okay, we get, so 18 over 18 cancels, making a 1, so that's just an x. 180 divided by 118 is 10. Okay, so that's what x is. We want to now find the angle. We know that angle EFH is this angle here. It's made up of 6x minus 5. Let's just plug in the x as 10. So 6 parentheses 10, and we minus 5 here. This is 60 minus 5, which is 55 degrees. So this is 55 degrees here. Let's do the blue. Angle HFG is equal to 12x plus 15 because it's this angle here. 12 parentheses, what's the x value? The x value here is 10, and then we add 15. So we have 12 times 10, which is 120, plus 15. This gets us 135. Right? Okay. Oh, you see? That was already wrong. I copied this wrong. It's not a 15. It's a 5. Okay? It's 120 plus 5. That's 125. Because if you add this together, look, 125. 125 plus 55 gets you 180. Okay? The other way, I made the error by making 15. It became 135. Okay? So that's how I knew these numbers were correct. Okay? Add these up. It should add up to 180 because they're linear pairs or they're supplementary.